Hi guys, welcome to our channel Die for DIY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cool DIY slime. For that, you need some items. Here are those items: super gum or Fevigum. Anything is okay, but you need that transparent one, not that white glue. A stick or spoon. I'm using this old pen for stirring. This Camel paste. See the Camel paste and a bowl. First, take some amount of Fevigum or the transparent gum, and you see I pour some of the glue, but don't waste more. Now take this Camel paste and with the stick or spoon, I'm using this pen. Just stir it. Stir till you get that slimy thing. You can add more Fevigum and this Camel paste till you get that slimy thing. I'm just stirring up. Stir it till you get like this slimy. Yeah, I got more slimy thing. Let's stir it till we get a slime. You see that it is more like a slime, and if you want to add more amount, then you should put more Fevigum or super gum and more Camel paste, and until you get this fluffy thing, you can keep stirring till it comes. If you thought if you take it in the hand, it will kind of little sticky. If you thought it, then put more amount of Fevigum and super gum or that Camel paste. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, big a give thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.